Hello everyone. So today we will look how to download DevC++ IDE. It is a C++ programming language IDE. Type DevC++ with minch-w. Now this will give you the link from SourceForge. Now as you can see, the first link is of SourceForge and it mentions DevC++ with min-gw. Min-gw is a compiler. Click on that link. Now this takes you to the download page. The green button is the download button. So as you can see, download latest version DevC++ 5.11. Click on it. This initiates the download of the DevC++ installer. Save it on your computer. Go to the download location. Click on the .exe file, which is for the setup. Open the installer. It will ask you for the language. Click on OK for English. Click on I agree for the agreement. Click on next. Now for the destination folder, please select a destination folder on your computer. Click on install. This is where your DevC++ files will be located, the installation files. Now it extracts several files. This completes your installation. Click on finish. Let me show you the downloaded location. Now I have selected the drive S. Now go to the drive S and mostly it will be installed in program files x86. Now you can see devcpp folder. That is where the installation has been done, and min-gw64 is also installed. Now there will be a shortcut on the desktop. You can click that particular shortcut or devcpp.exe. It opens the devc++. Click on next. Take the default settings. Now this is the IDE or the integrated development environment of DevC++. You can use any IDE for the development of C++ scripts. Here you need to change a few options. Go to the menu, go to the tools. Now in the general, click on add the following commands and type -g. Then go to the programs, and you basically want to use C++ 11 versions. So in the GCC, after gcc.exe, type a space followed by -std equal to C++ 11. Now this will also accept all the commands that were introduced in the 11th version of C++. Do the same for G++. After this, click on OK. If you have to go to a new project, click on File, go to New, select Project, click on Console Application, change the name of a project, maybe My Project. Click on OK. This creates your first project named My Project. This saves a .dev file. You can basically store it to any of the working directory that you are interested to save your CPP files and the compile.exe files too. As you can see, the My Project folder, it has a main script which is main.cpp, and always remember that any program should have only one main function. It cannot have more than one, nor it cannot have any. That's it. This is how you install DevC++ in your computer. If you want to run a particular program just for testing, you can do a hello world program. First of all, I'm using namespace std so that I do not have to type std cout every time. So just do cout less than and say I'm back and end it with end line. And then you can click on the compile option, or you can use a shortcut of F9. This saves your file and it basically runs with 0 compilation errors. After the compilation, a .exe file is created for the CPP file. In order to see the output, you need to run. The shortcut for run is F10, or you can go to execute and click on run. Now this will give your output. As you can see, this is the output screen. This is part of my Udemy course on C++. If you would like to take my Udemy course, please click on the link in the description below and it takes you to my Udemy courses. I have courses on machine learning, I have courses on AWS, and there will also be this course of C++. And you can reach out to me on LinkedIn if you need help with the courses, if you would like to get a coupon. Thank you so much for watching this video.